Hello everyone, this is my review of the Gain Fireworks In-Wash Scent Booster. This thing smells amazing and it makes your clothes smell so amazing and delightful. It has a unique scent that I really don't smell anywhere else, and it just makes it a joy to even wear your clothes to make you smell so fresh. Just even taking the cover off and smelling the beads from inside there, it's refreshing. You could probably use it to scent your house if you wanted to. It lasts for a long time. You can do plenty of washes with it. This is what the beads look like, and I highly recommend this product. And I hope this review helps. Pour this back in here, and I'm out.